Hi students, good morning. How are you? So on Saturday you had OT exam. Yes? Did you write OT exam? Did you write OT exam, students? Yes. So once again I repeat all the questions regarding the. So which questions you wrote in the OT exam? Once again I repeated, children. So all of you look at me and listen carefully. So first one, which of these is a living thing? Yes, which of these is a living thing? So here four options are given, children. So out of these four options, you tick on the one correct option. And the four options are car, table, hen, book. So out of these four options, which is the non-living thing? Yes, which is the living thing? Yes, hen is a living thing. Next, second one. Which of these is a non-living thing? Which of these is a non-living thing? So, this second question also four options, children. Hen, dog, plants and stone. So, out of these one, which is the correct one? Yes, which option is correct one? Yes, very good. Stone. Stone is the correct one. Next, third one. Fish live in dash. Fish live in. So, where do fish live? Where do fish live? So, this question also four options. So, what are those? Land, water, both land and water, and soil. So, where do fish live? Yes, the fish live in land or water. Yes, where do fish live? Fish live in water. Next, fish breathe through this. Fish breathe through this. Yes, these options are fins, gills, nose and stomato. So out of these four options, which is the correct one? So fish breathe through gills. G-I-L-L-S, gills. Next, plants breathe from these small holes. Plants breathe from these small holes. So fish breathe through gills and plants breathe from these small holes. So these small holes called stomato. S-T-O-M-A-T-A. Stomato. Next, sixth one. All living things can dash from one place to another place. All living things can dash from one place to another place. So here this question also four options, children. The options are water, non-living, air and move. So we already discussed in the lesson. So మనం already lesson లో discuss చేసాము. All living things can move from one place to another place to search for the food. అంటే తను ఫుడ్ వెతుక్కోవడానికి and so some animals are live in the forest. So they protect themselves from the other animals. అంటే వేరే యానిమల్స్ నుంచి తనను ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి they move from one place to another place. And also food. ఫుడ్ అంటే ఏంటి తెలుసు కదా, ఆహారం. ఫుడ్ సెర్చ్ చేసుకోవడానికి they move from one place to another place. Next, which of the following things given below can grow? So seventh question, which of the following things given below can grow? So this question also four options, children. Key, an aeroplane, a bottle and fish. So which is the correct one, children? Yes, which is the correct one? fish live in water. Next, human beings give birth to dash animals, birds, babies and plants. So which is the correct one? Yes, babies. Animals give birth to babies. Some animals give birth to directly to the babies and some animals laying the eggs. అంటే కొన్ని animals డైరెక్ట్ గా బేబీస్ కి జన్మనిస్తాయి అండ్ కొన్ని animals laying eggs గుడ్లు పెడతాయి కదా. సో ఏంటి which of the animals, what are the examples of animals laying eggs? సో గుడ్లు పెట్టే యానిమల్స్ కి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఏంటి? hen, duck, snake, so etc. These are the examples of the animals which lay eggs. Yes, human beings give birth to babies. Next, produce young ones that look like themselves called. So what is this called? Produce young ones that look like themselves called reproduce. అంటే తనలాంటి వాళ్ళనే తిరిగి ఇవ్వడాన్ని మనం రీప్రొడ్యూస్. రీ అంటే ఏంటి? మరలా. ప్రొడ్యూస్ అంటే ఉత్పత్తి చేయడం. తనలాంటి వాళ్ళని తిరిగి ఉత్పత్తి చేయడాన్ని రీప్రొడ్యూస్ అంటారు. నెక్స్ట్ 10th one, living things can. So we already discussed in the lesson, children, the main features of the living things. What are the main features of living things? Living things can grow, living things can breathe, living things can move from one place to another place, and living things need food, and living things reproduce. Living things can reproduce. Yes, here the 10th one is living things can dash grow, breathe, move, all of these. So what is the correct one? So all of these. Living things can grow, living things can breathe and living things can move. So the fourth option is correct. So this is the OT paper, children. So in the previous class we wrote difficult words in the first lesson, that is living and non-living things. So here, children, all of you open your C-work classwork notebook, children. All of you open your classwork notebooks. Yes, I think all of you wrote hard words in your notebooks. Yes, children, do you understand? Yes, all of you wrote hard words in the notebook. Today we write short answer questions. So all of you, first you put the heading classwork. First you put the heading classwork and write the date and day. So today date is 2nd. So the month is, so in the before the month is July, that is 7. So we come in August month, that is 8th. 2nd, 8th, 2021. The day is Monday. So today we write short answer questions. So here, children, all of you carefully look at the board. Here I draw 4 lines on the board. So look at carefully on the board how the letters write in the 4 lines. Yes, all of you write neatly in your notebooks. Short answer questions. So all of you write neatly. Yes, open your science notebooks. Already you wrote difficult words, that is hard words, in your notebook. So today we write short answer questions. So first you put the heading classwork and write the date and day. Then put the heading short answer questions. SHORT short. ANSWER answer. QUESTIONS questions. As first question. List any three features of living things. List. LIST list. ANY any. Features. FEATURES features. List any. List any three features of living things. Features of living things. LIST list. ANY any. THREE 3. FEATURES features. OF of living. LIVING living. THINGS things. List any three features of living things. Yes. Now coming to the answer. Living things. LIVING living things. Living things can grow breathe and move and move. Yes, children, did you understand? So today we write short answer questions. So in this first one, list any three features of living things. Yes, the answer is living things can grow, breathe and move. Yes, so this is the classwork, children, and your homework, that is your homework is also complete the classwork. So the remaining, so today we write first question and the second and third question. So we send through the WhatsApp. Yes, all of you look at your WhatsApp and complete the classwork. Yes, your homework is complete the classwork. So tomorrow after you complete the second and third questions, tomorrow we will continue the 4 and 5 questions. Yes, do you understand, children? So today we read first question. Once again I repeat. List any 3 features of living things. Yes, living things can grow, breathe and move. And do you understand, children?